a full bag of, it's plenty of them. Good morning, world! Good morning! Oh my goodness, it's freaking cold, my god! Good morning, everyone from Barcelona. This cold morning here, it's December. When I say December, it's January. It's January today. Why I say December? So, good morning, everyone. It's January, yes, it's January. And I'm today freaking cold, as I said. I'm with Andrea, which she should be around here. She went to that pharmacy to buy something. And we've decided to go out today and do a little walking in Barcelona, yeah. I saw in the screens that I have at the office that there is a lot of water waves, a lot of waves in the sea, so I said, hey, that's gonna be nice if we can go and see them. But I don't know, because you know, we always change the plans and sometimes we think that we should do something and then we change. So I don't know what will happen, but we will try to get there. Where is Andrea? Andrea?
Hello.
So we are gonna walk a little bit and let's see if we can reach the sea and we can see the sea. See the sea. See the sea. See the sea. Okay, let's go. Just arrived here and oh my goodness, what huge waves for Barcelona. This is huge for Barcelona, guys. Yeah, wow, I haven't seen that in many years. Well, here in Barcelona, obviously. Look at this. Wow, it's freaking cold in here. A lot of wind. I cannot even record my camera. My hand that is holding the camera is frozen. Wow. So this is not at all typical from Spain. Well, from Barcelona, yeah. You can go to the north of Spain and you will see similar weather conditions. But here in Barcelona, that's nothing typical at all. So it's been raining a couple of days and there's been a lot of wind, and all this wind has caused these big giant waves, which are giant, yeah. For Barcelona, they are giant. And Barcelona is not prepared for this, because when this happens, we lose part of the beaches. So usually the beaches are full of sand, and now they are losing slowly the sand. So the guys from Barcelona, the services, need to come with some trucks and dump some trash, not trash, some sand over here. Like for example, you see here, this is for playing beach volleyball. So the water usually just arrives to like here, and here people is playing, laying down on the summer. And look now, the water, the waves are coming and touching this area. So this is what's happening when there is these huge waves. Wow, Andrea didn't even want to come here because there's so much wind in here. There she is. Those two are the Mafre Towers, which I showed already in a previous vlog. Mafre Towers and Arts Hotel. And that over here is the casino of Barcelona. Yeah, that big fish, under the big fish there is the casino. Now I guess we should just keep walking and reach the end side of the beach. So far it's a nice walk. It's a little bit windy and cold, very cold. Well, there it was really windy, but here it's okay. But yeah, it's good. There taking the people out of the beach, so they don't allow anyone to be there, and they took everyone back here. There's a little gym over there, and they were some people doing some sport, and they just told them to go out. That's how it works here. They had to put this in order to prevent the water from coming in. What a disaster. We're gonna check this vegan place and let's see if we can eat here. Holy smokes, it's freaking cold and we are out of the restaurant now. We are heading home because it's so cold in here. We don't want to stay outside. We're gonna go back home, stay calm with Tiara, stay warm and relax a little bit, no? Let's go. We're gonna take the metro, we're gonna take the subway and head home, which should take us like half an hour. We are now in Arc de Triomphe, which is this arc in here, which has this very nice square, and we should take the subway, the metro, which should be over there. Okay, we've just arrived at home and I have something. I've prepared here the Thermomix, which is cooking tomatoes. I'm doing a tomato sauce. And we have some fish over here that we're gonna do also in the pan. So the dinner is ready. And I want to show you guys something because I say goodbye to today's vlog. And what is this thing? Let me grab it and I will show you. Wait a second for me here with Tiara. Tiara, check out the camera. Wait a second. So I want to show you guys something which arrived yesterday. So yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, we received a package, and it's something for the wedding, and I thought it would be nice to show it to you because it's good. We love them. We bought them online, and I want to know your opinion about this. So we thought that we wanted to give a present for the people who comes to the wedding. And one of them, we will give some tiny little presents, and one of them will be this one here. This is gonna be one of the wedding presents, as we are doing the wedding like a bit themed on travels, on our travels and our destinations in our life. We thought that we would like to give this as a present. So still we don't know how we're gonna deliver it. I mean, if it's gonna be just this or we're gonna put it inside a box or what. But we got, look how many of them we got. A full bag of planes. It's plenty of them. And yeah, they are all packaged inside. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys, because I'm also curious to know what do you guys think about the wedding preparations that we're doing. So that's one of the things that we're gonna be giving. The other one I showed it already in a past vlog. It's gonna be a compass, and I don't have it here, I don't know where it is, but if you go to the past and check the previous vlogs, you're gonna find it. So with that being said, I think it's time now to end the vlog. I want to give you thanks for watching this vlog, for keeping with me until the end, and I want to see you tomorrow. So as I always say, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, leave comments down below saying hello Adria, hello. I love those comments. And yeah, see you tomorrow. That's all. Bye bye.